Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the easiest swing trading strategy that you guys can do to start making money. We're going to be talking about positions that we're in on, why we're in on them, and honestly, the thing about swing trading or trading in general is if you're making, that's just a $20 a day and you're profitable and you're being consistent, the only thing that's separating you from making more money to $2,000 a day is one thing, and that is your account size. So starting out, I want to be completely upfront about this, is start small. Don't expect to make $1 million. Focus on your strategy and everything will follow right after. So for those of you that are new to the channel and you're like, who is this guy? My name is Carter. I am a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And with that being said, we do have an amazing community, amazing school where I teach people how to find these stocks that we're going to be talking about today. It's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything you guys need to get started and learn to trade. And we're doing a 50% off sale. Only two spots left for 50% off. You have to use code LEARN for 50% off. So guys, let's get started and let's jump into this thing. So we're in on two positions as of right now. We're in on ticker symbol AJG, which one of the reasons I absolutely love this one, and we've seen great growth out of it. We'll talk about why I bought it. So one, look at the trend. We've seen this nice upward trend, which is very, very, very important. Always imagine the trend of the stock is like a river. It's a lot easier to have the river at your back and push you down the river than you trying to swim up it. That's what I imagine the trend like, right? So I buy and I sell at a higher price. There's different types of traders out there. Some people are short traders. Some people are day traders. I am a swing trader. So on average, I hold my positions for 6 to 9 days. So the first thing that I always look at is the trend. The second thing is finding support. So support is a very, very important metric that traders use. This is where we've seen tendencies of getting buying pressure. It could be at a certain price, indicator. In this circumstance, you can see it actually was trading on this blue line. So this blue line is what we call the 90-day moving average line. There's the blue line and then the red. The difference between them, the red is the 200 days, so it's just going to act as a harder support, harder resistance. So when the stock is above it, like it is up here, it acts as support. But when we get sell-off down below it, you can see it actually hits these lines, and we get sell-off there. So it sells off, it acts as resistance. So in an ideal situation, you want to find the stock, buy it on the support line. Now, another thing that we look at here is the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. So you never place a trade just by looking at one indicator. You want as many indicators in your favor as you can. So with this position here, AJG, you will notice we have upward trend, support, undervalued RSI. Those are pretty good metrics, right? Now, after that, we want to go to the hourly. We want to find some sort of trend, breakout, and that's exactly what we saw. We saw this little wedge form. So we entered on the breakout at about 282.50 on this position. So the stock has squeezed up now to 291, which makes our return near and around like that $700, $800 mark. So we've seen some great growth out of this position. You can see that hourly trend right here, keeping our stop loss just below these moving average lines and the trend line. So if it does dip down, then we'll just take our profit, move on to other opportunity. Let's talk about another position that we are in on. We just added this position today and we're already up a little bit. This is ticker symbol DX. DX here, one of the reasons why we bought it here is looking at this, you'll notice a very similar situation. Look, the blue line, hit it, and we've had some great buying pressure out of this. So now looking at it, it was trading for about a 36 on the RSI, which normally we want anything under 30 to 35. So what I did here to limit myself is I went a little lighter on my position, meaning I bought a little less than I normally would have. Now, another thing with this position that we see here is a trend. So you can see the great amount of buying pressure that this stock has seen. Wait, let's move it a little more about here. So you can see each and every time it hits that, we have good buying pressure. So it has two supports in our favor, which is really, really good. That's what we like to see. And now the reason why we bought it is because it broke out. It broke out of this general trend line. So the next resistance in sight is going to be up here at about 1230, which even if the stock goes from 1210 to 1230, that's still going to be a return of about 1.5%, which might not seem like much. I give you that. But what makes a successful swing trader successful isn't these massive returns of 100%, 200%. Because often when you are seeking out those stocks, those high risk, high reward plays, you'll burn through an account very, very, very fast. So for me, I focus on small base hits, small returns that just compound over the course of a year. Like I said, the only thing that's separating you from making more money once you're profitable isn't your strategy. It all comes down to your account size. So start small, be consistent, build up a base, and we'll see what happens. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, check out our school. You guys can use code LEARN to get 50% off. Check it out. You won't regret it. We have a group chat, quizzes, lectures. If you want to literally take trading to that next level, check it out down below, and I'll see you guys in there. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.